Proven 10 Insurance Lead Generation Strategies and AI Tools, AnyBiz. Insurance lead generation is about finding potential clients interested in insurance policies. It involves various strategies like marketing materials and personalized communication to guide prospects towards making informed decisions and committing to coverage. Types of insurance lead generation. 1. Commercial insurance lead generation. 2. Home insurance lead generation. 3. Life insurance lead generation. Types of leads in insurance: real-time leads, live transfer leads, search leads, exclusive leads, shared leads. Segmenting insurance leads optimizes marketing by categorizing based on demographics, geography, behavior, psychographics, and purchasing patterns, ensuring tailored communication and maximizing engagement and conversion rates. Main challenges in insurance lead generation. 1. Intense competition. 2. Problems with lead quality. 3. Changing customer expectations. 4. Regulatory constraints. 5. Digital transformation challenges. 6. Tracking ROI. 10 proven lead generation strategies for insurance using AI tools. 1. AI-driven predictive analytics transforms insurance lead generation by analyzing vast datasets to forecast consumer behavior. It enhances efficiency, personalizes interactions, and optimizes resource allocation, leading to improved conversion rates and business outcomes. 2. AI-powered chatbots are transforming initial engagement in insurance by providing real-time interaction, resolving queries, qualifying leads, and collecting data. They enhance customer experience, improve lead capture rates, and optimize the sales funnel by directing qualified leads to human agents. 3. AI-enhanced customer profiling uses machine learning to analyze vast data, creating detailed customer profiles for tailored marketing. This improves targeting, resource allocation, and customer relationships. 4. Automated email marketing powered by AI ensures timely and personalized communication with insurance clients. By triggering emails based on customer actions and tailoring content to individual preferences, it boosts engagement and streamlines campaign management, leading to more effective outreach and data-driven decision-making. 5. AI-optimized paid advertising campaigns in insurance use advanced algorithms for precise targeting and performance enhancement. Through data analysis, AI ensures accurate targeting, optimal budget allocation, and innovative ad optimization, leading to greater ad relevance, cost efficiency, and scalability. This improves the user experience and overall campaign effectiveness. 6. AI-driven social media targeting optimizes ad distribution by segmenting audiences based on interests and demographics. It customizes content and optimizes ad components for engagement, while analytics provide insights for informed decisions, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. 7. Content personalization through AI involves dynamically adapting content to each user's interests and actions, improving engagement and user experience in the insurance industry. AI collects data, analyzes user behavior, and delivers tailored content across various formats, continuously improving recommendations for enhanced engagement, conversion rates, and brand loyalty. 8. AI enhances SEO strategies for insurance by optimizing keywords, organizing content, improving user experience, and analyzing backlinks. This boosts website visibility, attracts targeted traffic, reduces costs, and enables real-time adaptation to evolving search engine algorithms. 9. Machine learning transforms lead scoring in insurance by analyzing vast data sets to identify patterns and assign scores indicating the likelihood of conversion. This prioritizes high-potential leads, boosts conversion rates, optimizes resource allocation, and enhances forecasting accuracy through continuous improvement. 10. VR creates immersive scenarios showcasing insurance benefits, while interactive tools aid decision-making and educate users on policy specifics. This enhances customer understanding, engagement, and conversion rates, setting companies apart from competitors with a unique customer experience. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes insurance lead generation with AI-driven tools, streamlining processes, and enhancing conversion rates. Through automated data analysis, predictive analytics, personalized communications, and integration with existing CRM systems, it optimizes resources and ensures high deliverability, continuously learning and refining strategies for maximum efficiency. In this video, we explore how AI is transforming insurance lead generation, focusing on AnyBiz.io's tools. AI strategies like predictive analytics boost marketing precision and lead quality, driving up conversion rates. AnyBiz.io stands out by automating tasks like scheduling and email responses, freeing up time for strategic focus. Before you shut down, ensure you've liked and subscribed. Your continued support fuels our content journey.